In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from YourSafe to bank account. You can head over to yoursafe.com, and then once you have successfully signed up for an account, you should be able to see this. Click on this transfer money on your actual dashboard, and then from in there, you should be able to see in here this. So if you're logged out, you can click onto this login again, and you can use in here QR code login or email login. So I'll head over and then log in using my email. Now click onto this transfer money again, and in here you can see this. It can be a YourSafe transfer or international wire, US check, and ACH. So it actually depends on what bank account you're sending into. If you're sending US dollars or local bank in USA, you can use ACH. If you're using or if you're sending money to other bank account in other country, you can use in here this international wire. So for example, for this one, let's choose ACH. And then from this one, you can just enter in here transfer details. And then once you have sent your transfer details, you just need to confirm your details that you have filled up and then just transfer the money from there.